In this video, I am going to show you how to add a shadow to your image in Canva. 1. Start by logging into your Canva account and launch the application. 2. Once logged in, browse through your Canva dashboard to select the design you wish to edit. You can either choose an existing design or start a new project. 3. Look for the Elements tab on the Canva side panel when you upload your design to explore the different elements. 4. Within the Elements section, scroll until you find Photos category. Click on See All to view the entire photo gallery. You can choose an image from your gallery or add your own by selecting Uploads. 5. After selecting or uploading your image, click on the Edit Image button to open the image editing options. Look for the Shadows option. Click on See All to view all shadow effects available. From the shadow effects, select Drop to apply a drop shadow to your image. This will instantly add a shadow that appears to be cast behind your image, giving it a lifted look. Once you're satisfied with the shadow effect, click Apply to save the changes. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.